Hi! In front of me is DOOGEE S100 and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to Access System. Following that, tap on Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and Gboard. Now just tap on Theme section and scroll all the way down right away. Then click on those type of dots at the top right corners of all of those categories to see all available themes. After finding the best one for you, click on it. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher. And last but not least, hit apply. So when I do that, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. But you can always customize it by going into the same settings, but this time selecting this plus icon under my themes. Now click on the photo that you wish to apply as your keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then select Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Tap on Done. Manage key borders and select Apply. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!